Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sexual Health for Muslims. Comprehensive, accessible sexual health education for Muslims grounded in Islamic spirituality and psychology. My name is Samira Qureshi and I am a sexual health educator and occupational therapist, and I am so excited to share in this journey with you. So what does comprehensive sexual health education mean for Muslims? It's a term that we've probably heard a little bit about, and we see it kind of floating around in the world of sex ed. Now for Muslims, this term is a little different given that we are faith-based. So we are a community that tries to live in a state of God consciousness. That is, we try to gain awareness about ourselves internally, and we try to make fully informed decisions from a place of God consciousness. Comprehensive sexual health education for Muslims doesn't just mean learning about sex. In fact, there is so much more to know about sexual health than sex and intimacy. We are sexual beings from birth to death, and yet we are not sexually active for that long. We know that Allah created us in a very specific and sacred way. We are born with our genitals and reproductive systems intact. We are born with an awareness of them when we reach a certain age, such as infancy and when we're a toddler. And we also know that our sexual systems grow and develop with us alongside our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Therefore, our sexual health is something that we should be learning about from the time of early childhood onwards, so that we're gaining skills, information, strategies, and God consciousness in a way that helps us make decisions that are grounded in our values and who we are.